Welcome on board Opari. I'm Alex Karis, the captain of a 95-meter yacht launched in 2020 by Golden Yachts. With an average speed of 16 knots, beam of almost 14 and 2700 gross tonnage, my crew of 30 and I are considered to be an extended family. For the last 9 years, Chief Steward Kostas, Head Chef Takis, Chief Engineer Stelios and I have joined forces. We have created a wonderful bond. These balanced relations are evident to the people around us. So our clients not only see the crew's high degree of professionalism, but also a crew that cares for one another and works as a team to succeed. We create memories that last, and we have traveled together through the entire Mediterranean and Red Sea.
Welcome! Stepping inside Opari, you may see at the main deck a huge salon with a sliding 360 angles TV and dining table up to 16 guests. As you move on, the double suite can be convertible to individual double cabin with sliding doors, followed by 4 double and 3 twin cabins. The master's deck, with incredible volume, separate office, lounging area and large walk-in wardrobe. The materials include mother of pearl, white onyx, lilac crystals and various precious woods that define each cabin in a different style. We are heading to the upper salon to enjoy a cocktail with sky view. A study room, 1 VIP cabin, 2 double cabins, and owner's cabin that offers a direct access to the touch-and-go helipad. Open-plan Sundeck that provides the ideal scenery for a party with a DJ booth, fully furnished bar, film screenings, panoramic view jacuzzi and vast lounge areas, adding extra points to the setting. We move to the bridge deck with a fully equipped gym with full-length windows that leads out to a pool for cooling down. Venture down to the lower deck and you'll find that Opari has even more to offer. We have a limo tender, so guests can arrive ashore in exceptional style. The tenders are always ready and waiting, whether guests are looking for a smooth ride in the port or beach landing for a barbecue. We move on to a welcoming beach club with a massage beauty room, a sauna and hammam with beautiful onyx marble, mosaics and relaxing lighting effects. The beach club leads out onto an expansive swimming platform which allows for an elaborate beach setup with enough remaining space for barbecue and water sports preparations. Also, a very nice system of sliding glazings that makes it even more enjoyable, creating the feeling of being on the water but providing the comfort of air conditioning if needed. A louver-style swim ladder leads guests into the water and makes for elegant water exits.
Welcome to my kingdom. I'm Chef Takis.
I enjoy cooking comfort-chic dishes with a glamorous touch. Flavors that brings back memories and also creating new ones. I always like to create and discuss my menus with our guests, regarding the styles, according season, location, and definitely taking their mood into consideration. My team and I love interactive cooking experiences, like cooking contests or cooking lessons. It's something guests really enjoy, since it takes food to a more personal level.
Good evening. The movie is about to start. Please, enjoy. The yacht offers plenty of versatile outdoor dining options, up to 20 guests. Also, we are very well known for the creativity of our parties, from a classic toga party to Pirates of the Caribbean and an elegant Casino Royale themed evening.
We are looking forward to seeing you on board.